daily driver worthy 04 Blazer, 4-wheel drive, only has 36,000 miles. Love the Indigo blue. Let us know in the comments if you would drive it every single day. Every once in a while we get in something that's just a little odd, but it's really cool. And this Blazer is just that. It's an 04 Chevrolet Blazer, and it's a factory 4-wheel drive Blazer, which is really cool. It's got the push button 4-wheel drive on the dash. It has its original Vortec 4.3 liter 6-cylinder, and then it is backed by the 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission, so it has its original drive line. That original 4.3 makes 190 horsepower and 250 foot-pounds of torque. For a little Blazer like this, it drives fantastic and it has plenty of power. The overdrive transmission shifts great. You have power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. You have AC that is nice and cold. For a daily driver vehicle with 4-wheel drive and low miles of 36,555, for the price point, it doesn't get any better than this. This is, again, a daily driver worthy truck, or Blazer, whatever you want to call it. It's an SUV. Clean Carfax, clean auto check, no accidents or damage ever reported, and again, 36,000 miles, so it's not been broken in yet. On the interior, it's the factory coated graphite interior, which is basically black. Seat covers are excellent front and rear. Carpet looks good, floor mats look good. The door panel plastics on the 4 doors down low do have a few little scuffs from getting in and out. The driver's side rear plastic has some more scuffs than the other ones, but it's kind of a nitpicky thing. The top of the dash is great. The lower portion of the dash is really nice. There is one little hole drilled right here on the dash where maybe it had a little alarm system at one point or something. Other than that, headliner's in good condition, visors look good. The rear seats fold completely flat, so you have a really good compartment or cargo area in the back if you need to haul something around. I love the fact that it is manual windows and manual locks, just less things to potentially go wrong electronically. But overall, the interior here is really crisp and really clean for just a stock 21-year-old vehicle. Gauges are all clear and easy to read. Your digital display for the odometer and the park reverse neutral drive all is working properly and looks good. Factory AM/FM stereo has not been messed with. Factory heat and AC looks great. You have your rear wiper, and then you have your rear hatch release, which again all works properly as well. Push button 4-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, all looks good. Headlight switch, dimmer switch, all in great condition and works properly. The does it work section on this one, all of your lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, all of that works exactly like it should. The does it work section, which is posted on the website pcclassiccars.com, is going to have yeses across the board, which is always a nice thing to have. No disclaimers. This one's ready to go as far as what works and what doesn't, because everything works. Forgot to open and close the glove box, but it does. You have your RPO codes in there as well as your owner's manual. We are warmed up, but before we get in it, if y'all do want to find that does it work section, as well as the Carfax and the auto check, that can be found on the website pcclassiccars.com in the additional media tab. Click on the inventory, click on this Blazer, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see it in there. Vortec 6 cylinders, they're a 4.3 liter. They run fantastic. They're extremely reliable. Those overdrive transmissions are great. I would hop in this thing and drive it to California tomorrow. It's that kind of truck. On the underneath, the floors are fantastic. The frame is great. The inner rockers, the body mounts, there's no rust problems. A little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but it's a nice, clean, solid 4-wheel drive vehicle on the underneath. You're not fighting rust battles or any problems of any kind on the bottom. On the exterior, it's the factory Indigo blue metallic. The front bumper on the front driver's side corner has a little indentation. There is some checking on the hood as well as the roof, and it has some touch-ups on the hood kind of all over it, and then same thing with the roof as well. Couple other little nicks and little dings walking around the truck. Some little dings over on the driver's door that can be PDR'd out. Same thing with the driver's side fender. It's a 21-year-old truck. It's gonna have some little things, but it still is presentable. The hood And then again, the top portion of the front of the roof is going to be the worst thing on it. Nothing that I would repaint. It's an older truck. You're going to get little nicks and dings, especially if you're going to daily drive this thing. So nothing that I would worry about. But those photos of the flaws can be found in the additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Again, the little miscellaneous things all the way around the truck you will see photos of. The wheels are in excellent condition. The paint, all four of them, shows great. You have brand new white letter BFG tires, which for me just sets this four-wheel drive Blazer apart than the rest. It's just a good looking truck with the four-wheel drive setup with the white letter BFGs. It just looks great. The brakes stop the truck really well. And I'm sorry, I call SUVs trucks. It's an SUV, but again, I call it a truck. I'm weird. But the brakes stop it really well. The steering is nice and tight. It really performs mechanically like a brand new Blazer from 2004. Always been a huge fan of these. They're utilitarian. You can load up people in here and still have a cargo spot in the back, or put those seats all the way down and haul up a bunch of stuff in here if you want to. And these seats are really comfortable. You can do longer road trips in these if you need to. Easy to see out of the windshield. Has some little wiper marks on the windshield, and then you do have a little stone chip over here on the driver's side. Pretty small stuff there. Rest of the glass is in great condition with your rear defrost in the back. You have your button down here on the right, which kicks on, kicks off like it should. Suspension feels good, steering feels good. No issues of any kind from any of those components. Turn signal switch is nice and tight for both directions. The bulbs illuminate. I said that weird, sorry. The bulbs illuminate on the dash like they're supposed to. Your rear hatch here, you have the button on the dash which pops the back glass, and then you have your tailgate handle on the inside of the tailgate in the back. Both of those function properly. We do just have the one key for this truck. There is no key fob. It's just a manual key to unlock and lock the doors. All four of your side doors open and close properly, and then same thing with your hood. You have the release under the dash, pops the hood. You have your secondary release on the outside of the hood, which works properly as well. In the engine compartment, OE and factory, your firewall is great, your inner fenders are great, the core support, the radiator, your charging system, all of that looks and performs exactly like it should. This is the original Vortec motor that this Blazer was born with. Fluids, again, are clean and ready to roll. Radiator's doing its job. We're not overheating at all. Good oil pressure, temperature is where we want it to be. Voltage is reading correctly. Fuel gauge is working. Tach, speedometer, all working exactly like it should. Again, outside of just some cosmetic flaws on the exterior, that's all I'm gonna note on this one. It's a good, clean four-wheel drive truck with brand new tires and cold AC. It's a ready-to-go truck to hop in and drive every single day if you want to. Just a cool, unique setup that you don't see very often with extremely low miles like this. Yeah, a little Vortec motor runs well. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Blazer four-wheel drive with 36,561 actual miles. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com and check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.